Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring ingredients precisely so flavor stays balanced. Pour 1 cup milk or 200 ml water into a small pan and set low heat. This preserves creaminess and aroma. Add 1-2 tsp chocolate tea powder into a bowl while the liquid warms so it dissolves cleanly. Once done, check temperature with your wrist or thermometer and stop at 60-70 degrees C because boiling will scorch the chocolate notes and make the drink bitter. You now combine and emulsify to create a smooth cup. Pour a small amount of the heated liquid over the powder and whisk vigorously for 20-30 seconds to avoid lumps. A frother works faster and adds body. Gradually fold in the remaining liquid while tasting and add 1/21 tsp sweetener depending on sweetness preference. Once mixed, include optional flavorings like vanilla or cinnamon for complexity. These lift the chocolate and you finish by presenting and making final adjustments so the beverage hits your target texture. Strain the mixture into your cup if any particles remain, then top with foam, cocoa dust, or a small dollop of whipped cream for contrast. Taste and adjust. If the drink is thin, dissolve an extra teaspoon of powder into a tablespoon of warm liquid and blend in. If gritty, whisk longer or use a finer sieve. Make sure to cool slightly before sipping to appreciate aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.